gonna trust. Jeremiah is gone, the people in chains, but the prophet Baruch is what finally remains. Standing in ruins where the temple once stood, guarding the record, the true and the good. The matrix is screaming that all has been lost, but the watchman is counting a different cost. Baruch is the bridge, the voice in the void, preserving the seed that can't be destroyed. Like the figs of Abimelech, fresh in the jar. We're stepping through time, no matter how far. 88 victory, the letter is sent to the remnant of Sion, the holy remnant. The physical falls, but the spirit is free. Yeah. Locked in the frequency of 2026 decree. 66 years in a supernatural sleep, while the matrix was sowing the sorrow later read. Abimelech woke and the fruit was still sweet, while the empires of men suffered total defeat. That's the power we carry in the Sion Sanctuary, where the laws of the decay are no longer necessary. We don't fear the famine, we don't fear the clock. Our house is established on the ancient rock. Send a letter to the captive, send a word to the field. Tell the brothers and the sisters that the record is sealed. The Father suspends every timeline of fear. The kingdom of Sion is already here. Stop looking at rubble, stop looking at fate. The watchman is standing at the golden gate. Baruch is the bridge, the voice in the void, preserving this freed that can't be destroyed. Like the figs of Abimelech, fresh in the jar. We're stepping through time, no matter how far. 88 victory, the letter is sent to the remnant of Zion, the holy remnant. The physical falls, but the spirit is free. Yeah. Locked in the frequency of 2026 decree. Yeah. The record is preserved. The watchman stays at his post. Time is a servant to the 88 signal. Baruch, Sion Sanctuary. Victory.